All right, traders. I want to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day here from the STP community. How's everyone doing today? You guys all hear me? Am I live? Check, check. Yo. We'll look at Bitcoin futures real quick, see how these opened up. They opened up 1% with a gap. Right. RLC is today's coin for sure. We called RLC out at $4 earlier a week. I think it was Friday actually. Litecoin on the move as well. Cardano. We're going to take a look at URUS here. For Arash, we all know that's why he comes on the streams. Hear about the hidden gem token here. No, I didn't check BNB just yet. But looking at the hidden gem token, guys, got this breakout right here. All right, some nice consolidation happening on the hourly chart. You guys can see that. All right, we're looking at this next major fib extension up here at 36 bucks. All right. This charting software sucks. Won't even let me do a circle. Anyways, so 36 bucks. Actually, let me go to log scale. It'll probably be easier to see. So yeah, 36. Once you break 36, that next fib extension is around 53. We're looking at 70 bucks. You guys can see the levels here. Basically up to close to. Once we break 50, I think there's a high likelihood chance this asset can get up to $100. Right, like a 3x trade from here. I do think, like I said, I do think that if this asset does respect traditional technical analysis, that we will see just from this bottom range here to the top of the range a 200% move, and from here that would be yeah, basically right up to that $80 area. Right. Just this pattern here, okay? I'm not talking about the flag. Like this flag here, if we really respect the flag, which is, it's technically, it can't be a flag really because it's been since March, but just this consolidation range, you guys can see we broke it. We made this cup. We're making a continuation, and it looks promising. I'll say that it looks promising. All right. Started talking about this token. I want to say somewhere around the end of March here, around 14 or 15 bucks. So if any of you guys took advantage of this, you guys have already doubled your money on this token, right? Moon Girl's around. I don't know where she's doing right now, but she's around. So BNB, RLC, we'll take a look at them. want to look at the Bitcoin price action right now, as I do still think we are in this rising this rising wedge type structure here. Although we're making higher lows, we are still continuing to make higher lows. We're holding above on the daily. We're holding above the 21 EMA. All right, but this still looks good. We're getting this wick right here. Got a wick down and tested the 21 EMA today. Right, big bounce that we got. Right. This measured move here from the bottom to the top of the wedge is about 17%. If we do break to the upside, well, you guys already know, 17% would put us at $70,000 Bitcoin. Although I don't know that we're going to be able to do this whole move. We're definitely going to see. We're definitely going to find out. Usually ascending triangles. If this is an ascending triangle, we get a couple touches up here before we really get a breakout. According to Bukowski, we're talking about 64%. Through the ascending triangle before we get a breakout, right? Yeah, 64% of the way of the triangle to the apex of the triangle, all right? So, 64%, somewhere in this range here, mid-June, right? RLC, sure, let's take a look at it. What did RLC do? Oh man, it's so weird. Let's see. We had this nice curve cup continuation. We're at the 886 bib extension right now, and if we continue to rally, we're going to get to the top wick here, which is around 15.25. This is a massive candle. I do expect some sort of price. That's a wedge, baby. Got that right. That's fucking funny, man. Oh my god. So swing low to swing high, 1500% measured move. Right. Yeah, you're talking about a $54 swing target, all right, just from this range break. Above 16 on Coinbase. Oh wow, quite a spread. That's the case. Well, there you go, man. That's the case. That's the case. So what are you waiting for, man? Sell on Coinbase and buy it on Binance right now. Right? Huge arbitrage opportunity. I'm sure the bots will take care of it for us. But basically, if Coinbase is above the all-time highs, they started the price action above the previous all-time highs on this, then we're talking $54, all right? Talking $54 is the next major swing target, right? Crazy, man. Some of these altcoins are going to do silly stuff here in the coming weeks, months. Litecoin, who's been part of the community since we started talking about Litecoin, man? We started talking about Litecoin in June of last year, around the $40 area. All right, we had this projected to go to $1,400 US. Litecoin. How does one take advantage of the price disparity? Well, you probably need capital on Binance and capital on Coinbase. Yeah, you probably need capital on both sides, right? So if you're selling on Coinbase, you should be buying on Binance, right? Or buying on Binance to send to Coinbase to sell it. That's pretty much how you should do it. $10, that's right, I did, back in May 2017. I'm not really liking this playlist track at all. You think we can check VRA? Yeah, we can check it. Yeah, I got rid of it. That song sucked. No big deal. Litecoin breaking all-time highs. We are in price discovery on Litecoin on the Poloniex exchange, which has all the price data. All right, so back to this. We were just talking about it. I might as well finish talking about it. RLC hit 20 bucks on Coinbase. Amazing. Chainlink on the move. Chainlink. Watch out for these chainlinks. This is major, man. $60 target here on the 200% retrace from the swing low to the first swing high that we made, okay? Another token that nobody's talking about that got some major volume today. HEGIC token, falling wedge. Got the dip, now we got the rip, right? So we can expect this on the weekly. If we get above the 21 on the weekly, this asset will appreciate in value roughly 711% from the swing low to the swing high from this area here, 711%, right? 5x opportunity. It might even go more. Obviously, this is just this little range break here, right? Walton chain, take a look at. Sitting around the $2 area. Falling wedge opportunity as well. We called this one out at 35 cents in January, guys. All right. The double bottom on the weekly chart. Holding steady above the 21 EMA here. You guys can see we touched 50% retrace, pulled right back to the 21, got a nice bounce. Trying to rally up here. Obviously, we're not closing a higher candle body high this week, but we'll see if we can sustain the prices above the daily 21 here. Okay. See what SAR's throwing us here. All right, so no real signals from SAR up here. Going shorts on the 15-minute. All right, so most likely a continued pullback for Walton Coin. We got a bunch of effing trolls in here today. Moon Girl, ban some of these kids. Let's go. Where's Arash? Let's give him the hammer. Arash, you're now a moderator on the channel. Cool. Look at ETH real quick. ETH throwing 15-minute long signals. Go to the daily. Daily still has room to run. We have a projection up to about $4,400, all right? And the next major fib extension from this previous swing low to swing high, we have a projected target of 5,000 US dollars. And holding above the 21 EMA, we did call this have a little bit of a pullback here. We did make a lower high. Look at the tails coming in on these wicks. All right, guys, this is people buying this asset here at this support. Okay. Got to get back above this 4-hour 21 to make a continuation. The hourly looks good. The hourly looks like it's ready to rock. We got the hourly long signal in on bands. Phantom coin. You guys know about Phantom, right? We were talking about it at 60 cents before it broke out of the structure. Right now in an ascending triangle and breaking out of the ascending triangle. Super bullish asset right here. Filecoin. Sure, we can look at it. Still in the down-sloping channel. Right, still in it. Four-hour looks primed, right? We're at the bottom of the STP, Directional Movement Index. We're showing bullish divergence here on the 4-hour chart. I didn't look at Veracity. Let me look at that real quick. I know I said I was going to look at that before. Is that VRA or something, right? Forget where I charted this. Did I chart this here? I forget. Maybe it was on the Bittrex chart. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So still holding. We got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches on the ascending triangle here, from what I'm seeing, and we can see that the momentum is fading, is weaning. We're gonna probably get a bullish cross here. We probably got one on the 4-hour already. There it is. That's why you got a 10% move. All right, so this looks pretty good. Squeeze broke to the upside. I think we talked about this on the other stream, maybe last week or earlier this week. All right, so looking at a move above 4.16 cents. This will take you to the top of the range, roughly around 5.3, and you break that, you're looking at about 100% measured move. All right. This was a coin we covered on the Zoom session today that I think has some legs to go higher. Nice inverse head and shoulders pattern setup here. You guys can see that it perfectly wicked up off the bottom line here, right here. All right, we got this wick. Didn't close green, didn't close as a hammer, but really close, okay? And I'd like to see this asset hold these lows here, as I think this can actually trade much higher. And we also covered Ren USDT. So 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows if this gets confirmed here on the 4-hour chart. Kudo miner, kudos. Yeah, this is probably a good one to own. Probably buy this myself. Bullish rectangle, right? You're looking at the top of the range here at 9 cents. You break that. 126% measured move. 20-cent target. Right? EOS, yeah, we missed that one, sorry. Got a bullish hammer reversal here on the daily chart, or the 4-hour chart, excuse me. Looks like it's cupping out, right? Just like I charted here. Nice little cup structure. You're coming out of negative momentum. Got hidden bullish divergence here on EOS. Cosmos and OGN, yeah, we can take a look at it. Still in the wedge structure, right? Still in it. Kind of curling around here. We're making maybe a double bottom, right bottom. Double bottom here, possibly. For a breakout trade. 4 hour looking like these days. Wow, major move coming here for OGN. Look at this. It's just kind of chilling, right? You got one more little piece of negative momentum here. You guys can see it just barely right between the histogram islands here. 1, 2, 3. On the 4 hour, guys, this is serious. You're starting to build positive momentum. I think a big move coming. Look at the volume coming in here, right? Big move coming here for OGN. Pay attention to this one this week. This one's going to do some major moves, right? Probably ultimately to the top side of the wedge, which is up to $3.20. And if you break that, if you break the 320 area, you guys already know we're looking at $5. You're looking at $5. And make sure you guys smash up that like button, all right? If you guys are enjoying the content here, giving you guys some great trade setups, longer term swing trades. Smash it up, boys and girls. Cosmos, right? Yeah, this looks ready to rock. I mean, you got a nice daily candle closure up here, holding the support. You are towards the top side of the range. Remember that. Yeah, I mean, ultimately looking at these targets, right? Cosmos. What's going on, Greg Z Young? How we doing tonight? You guys want to see something crazy? You guys want to see the alert service swing trade call on RLC at $4? I know you guys don't believe me now, but here's the RLC swing trade call. I mean, I literally just was giving like a short-term trade on it, but $4.11 the swing trade was called on. Get some hype in the chat for RLC. Went past my my circled fib targets here. Crazy move, man. What a move. 127%. Indeed, both of them are doing well. Bancor breaking out of the structure here. What's Dot doing these days? Dot hanging on to the 21 here. Look at ETH futures. ETH futures gapping up. Insanity. MATIC on a major move right now. Dude, I remember calling MATIC out when it was pennies. I feel silly for not buying it. What are you gonna do, man? Can't own them all, right? Algorand, yeah, let's take a look at Algorand. Getting this pullback here, right? On the daily 21, we're just above it. We are above the daily 21 on Algorand right here. We're holding in the bullish territory. We do get a little bit of a cross down here on the Stokes, and that's okay. I think the 4 hour will probably reset it here soon. There it goes. Got a 4 hour reset. Stokes on the 4 hour looking good. Now we do get some volume over here, okay? One touch, two touch. We're going to make a third attempt probably to maybe break out of this triangle. We shall see. Not, we're going to get a, maybe a triple top and a back test down here at the triangle again. Okay. Storage. Great, Caleb. Yeah, this is a good playlist. So storage broke the channel, right? You can now adjust the channel here. And looks like a nice rounding action here for a nice support and make another cup continuation. All right. RLC is going nuts, yeah. STMX, yeah, we've looked at this one before. I think it has a good use case, right? Look at the volume coming in here on the 4 hour. So lots of buying activity here on the 4 hour. And we're in a longer term falling wedge type structure here. So if we can round out this bottom and make a higher low, we get the partial decline with eventually a move out, right? Let's go look at Bulkowski here for the partial declines. All right, partial decline. So the partial declines can also be applicable in a falling wedge structure, right? But yeah, I think good things for this asset. 4 hour looking nice. Probably gonna get a cross up here soon. And you have 1, 2. A bit of divergence happening there. Wow. Wing. So broke this parabolic structure here that it was in, but you can kind of see it's still. If you use these lows, you can still kind of see that it's maybe holding this area here. Right, so up sloping channel. And maybe you get one more touch here before you go higher. Yeah, I didn't shave this weekend, man. Bitcoin Cash setting up here on the 4-hour. You know, we've covered RLC already, and let's look at BNB. I think we looked at it earlier, but we'll look at it again. BNB making this cup structure. Maybe make a cup continuation pattern, right? We're broke out of this triangle, back tested it, made higher lows. I mean, this just looks like it's gonna go to moon. Continue the moonage for BNB. I mentioned the RLC move in the paid alerts channel. Okay, I do call outs daily for the Swing Trade Pros community. You guys can purchase those here. $67 a month. It's nothing. Right here. Just gotta purchase them. They're $70. Buy them for the year too. $600. I mean, come on, man. I mean, you're talking about calls that I'm making daily. Okay. Bitcoin never really broke its pattern, from what I remember looking at just a second ago. Bitcoin is still in the structure, making another higher low, right? Low, same low, higher low, higher low. It's $67 a month. So I also just got and hired another analyst who does crypto scalps as well for the futures. All right, so I do mostly like buy and hold or swing trades, you know, from like 1 to 2 month type trades. I did trade it. I didn't trade the whole move. I just traded a portion of it. I can show you guys that trade actually. I'm not ashamed of it. I sold it a little bit early, but I don't really care. I was just trading the wedge on it, you know. Here, so you guys can see I took the RLC trade right here on May 6th. I caught 10% of it. I only had an $1,800 risk. All right, these are just spot trades. On average, I don't use any leverage. I just spot trade. I have covered algo, yep. Caleb, if you're a new trader, you should not be trading on leverage. Just trade the spot. Can't ever get liquidated if you trade spot. Me, congratulations. Sounds like you got enough now to buy a monthly alerts. We did cover Algorand already, yep. No, spot trade is no leverage at all. It's just you're just buying the asset outright. No leverage. Yep, BMT, we covered it before. Said it was breaking out of its structure. Okay, nice little falling wedge. Falling channel breakout we got. Falls all the way. Aeon, yep. Aeon was making nice moves. And the weekly is going to close a bullish engulfing candle, it looks like to be. And you got a major move incoming here for Aeon. Right? 857% measured move, swing trade. This was another one discussed on the Zoom today, by the way. Tyler, that's cool, man. Your mom would be proud. I think Uniswap version 3 is going to be pretty good for Uniswap. Take a look at Uniswap real quick. Yeah, we can look at OAX and VeChain. Give me a second. Just look at them right now, I guess. OAX, or do you mean OXT? I think you mean OAX, right? Still seeing this this structure here. Right. Actually, this neckline. Sure. Broke it. Measured move. 1140% from breakout. That should bring you pretty close to all-time highs. And it looks pretty good. Alright, VeChain. VeChain just keeps rocking, man. Thank you so much, Mike. Appreciate that. It is. That's what the chart says. VeChain, about 100% measured move from here. And looking pretty close to that 40-50 cent territory. Yeah, we can look at H part. Holding the support on the daily. And this looks like a No, Caleb. So that gentleman actually trades by himself. He's a trader himself, and I can show you guys. I can show you guys what he does. He posts his own trades in our channel. Okay. So he'll post like yesterday. He was trading Doge to the long side, right? Gave an entry, and he was on 50x leverage, right? And then he gives a breakdown of everything that he traded that day. Right, so the other day traded Doge on 50x. Guys, do not trade on 50x leverage. I'm not telling you guys to do this. This is up to the trader and what you guys want to risk, but you guys can see his trades for the day, right? Yeah, H-bar is going to be huge. Actually, know somebody that's working with them. Stay away from Dogecoin. I mean, if you have a reason to stay away from it, if you think the price is going to go down or something, then stay away from it, right? So H-bar actually looks like a descending broadening formation, right? So this looks like it's gonna make a 70 or 80% measured move here, right? It's consolidating along the 21 daily. And we did get some action to the downside a bit here today. You know, it does look like maybe, but it's so the thing is that it's holding this area here on the daily, and holding this area here on the 4 hour, and looks like it's making kind of like a double bottom here on the 4 hour. Right, so we have this bottom, double bottom. Yep, holding above the 21 EMA. We call this little flag breakout here. They are indeed bullish formations. Yep. Right. Look for that partial decline. It worked 79% of the time, according to Borkowski. Algo. Everyone keeps requesting Algorand. Let's take a look at it. It looks great here on the weekly chart. Above the 21 EMA in a nice triangle, right? All-time high versus ETH. Do you mean MATIC ETH chart? I don't know what you mean, man. Is RLC going to rise more? I mean, I heard on Coinbase it's over 15 bucks. Yeah, so I don't know. It just got listed on Coinbase. This is the Coinbase effect. I feel like RLC was already on Coinbase, wasn't it? It's not. But you got quite a disparity in price from Binance to Coinbase on RLC. And, you know, I have a measured move here to 54 bucks. Long-term trade, long-term chart, right? CRO, let's take a look at it. This hasn't done anything yet, I don't think. Just kind of range bound, right? Blocked from withdrawals on Binance. Well, there's probably a reason, right? People are probably trying to send it to Coinbase to sell it. CRO looks like maybe you're rounding a bottom here. Well, we've been live for 45 minutes. We're going to probably stay live here through the daily candle close. So make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and hang out with me here for 15, 20 more minutes. All right. Take a look at some other cryptos here. See if we got anything popping up on the screener that looks good. MATIC ETH. Dude, we covered Algorand already, man. 3 or 4 times. We're gonna check out XMR. That was requested. So XMR getting pretty close to previous all-time highs here. Alright, this is obviously a major cup pattern from the bottom. Stop. 2,200% measured move. Now right up to the 200% retrace. I don't know if we're going to get to 12,000, but we easily get to I don't know, 4,000 or something. Icon. But we got this bottom here. We were talking about this earlier, Ben, right? Pretty sure that's you, I think, right? Getting pretty close to a breakout. On-chain being pumped. This looks crazy. Decentraland. Sure, we can watch it there, yeah. Look, I've covered it already. It's like 3 or 4 times, man. Please go back in the stream. Take a look at it. Tyler, I don't like to give financial advice on this channel, man, but definitely go look and draw your own conclusions from the technical analysis I did give. Go back to Bitcoin. We're gonna get this daily candle close here in about 10 minutes. I would say it depends on your entry, man. Should have bought it at $4 when I called it out in my chat in my Discord channel, man. Discord, guys. Got to join the Discord and got to sign up for the stock options and crypto alerts. Right. This is how you guys are going to be able to earn some nice money this run. Or CTSI. $15-minute got the squeeze to the upside here. Probably head towards the top of this range, right? We got to break above 163. Which price do I think RLC is going to get to? I mean, we went through this like a million times already, guys. Right? We're projecting like 54 on up to $100 maybe. After it breaks its previous all-time high, which it technically broke on Coinbase, right? 16 bucks, yeah. So you could see 50 bucks pretty fast. This momentum keeps up. Biggest spike in momentum it's ever seen. Never hurts to take your initial investment out, right? Because then you're just free rolling the profits. All profit from there. I don't like giving financial advice, but up to you. Obviously, it really depends on, you know, what you need the money for, how long you need, you know, to hold the assets for, or what your real trading plan is. You guys are seeing it. I'm showing you. This is my projection. $54. We break 54. We're going to 100. We break 100. You're going to go to $300. All right. I mean, guys, an asset up 130% can easily have a 50% pullback, all right? It can easily come right back down. Easily come back down at this level right here. I mean, not $3, but probably 5 or 6, okay? Well, it's at 15, so I don't know. I mean, you got such a disparity on price right now. Wait for the exchanges to catch up with the price action, I would suggest. All right, we're coming up to the daily candle close here, the weekly candle close for Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are still here and watching, make sure you guys smash up the like button. We are throwing a weekly long signal right now here on Bitcoin. Ruben, great job, man. Great job. Make sure you join the Discord, brother. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell if you guys are enjoying the content here. Bangpar looking nice. Probably make a major move here. And we have a new day, a new week. Here we go, guys. We just gotta break 60,000. Weekly Stokes just crossed back up too. Litecoin, 400 bucks. Happy Mother's Day to you too, Jesus. Auger looks pretty interesting down here. TRV. Color we can look at, yeah. TRV does look nice. This rounding action here is looking pretty good for CRV. CRV is Teller, right? And a nice inverse cup. Nice inverse head and shoulders pattern, playing out the 4 hour, setting up daily, right? Break above this 156 area, looking at $200 and then up to $300. The levels. All right, guys. Alright guys, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and make sure you guys join the Discord. That's where all of the stuff is happening, right? I do the TA here for you guys. Make sure you guys have a wonderful week. We covered band already. Amir, you can scroll back in the stream, check it out. It looked pretty good on the daily. It was holding the 21 EMA. We will catch you guys tomorrow for the daily live stream at 12:30 Eastern. Make sure you guys show up, smash the likes, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and take the little bell. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.